So this is 310, and the lady's complaining about the fact that that pump is going overnight and making some noises. So I know Al checked this before. We just gotta check it to see what we can do, because it goes down the middle line. I guess her bedroom is right next door. All right.